there, my name is Mel Robbins. Have you ever set a huge, ambitious goal only to find yourself completely paralyzed, not knowing where to even begin? If so, you're not alone. I'm going to share with you my thoughts on a simple but profound shift in perspective, the importance of setting small, achievable goals as your true path to success. Here's the truth. Our culture celebrates massive, life-changing goals. But focusing only on the finish line means you can't always jump from where you are to where you want to be without feeling completely overwhelmed. And that feeling of being stuck, that's normal. It's your brain's way of saying the leap is too big. The key, small goals. They are your secret superpower. Big goals are important for direction, don't get me wrong, but they can feel distant, scary, and honestly demoralizing when progress isn't immediate. Small goals, however, are like stepping stones across a wide river. Every time you reach one, you build tangible confidence, you create unstoppable momentum, and most importantly, you move forward. Each small win proves to yourself that you are capable and in control. This ebook is your guide to using the incredible power of small goals to make your biggest dreams a reality. So, let's dive in and start building your momentum, one small step at a time. Why do small goals matter? I'll tell you why. Big goals, while important, often seem so far away. They can create a feeling of being overwhelmed that just stops us in our tracks. Small goals? They're achievable. They give you clarity. You see exactly what you need to do next. When you break things down into small, achievable goals, you have a map. You stop thinking about how big your dream is and start thinking about what you can do today to get closer to it. And when you reach that small goal, it's a win. You feel that little dose of success, that feeling of accomplishment. It's that feeling that pushes you forward and keeps you on track. You have a life-changing dream. But fixating on the monumental end result can be paralyzing. It's classic analysis paralysis. For example, you dream of running a marathon. Picturing all 26.2 miles at once is overwhelming enough to make you pull the covers back over your head. It feels impossible before you've even started. The secret is to break it down. First, clearly define the big goal. Run a marathon. Then, dissect it into phases. Phase 1 isn't about the full distance. It's about preparation, getting the right gear, and creating a training schedule. Phase 2 is building a base by consistently running a 5K. Once that's comfortable, you move to Phase 3, tackling a 10K and then a half marathon. Within each phase, create smaller, immediate goals, your daily and weekly wins. Sign up for that first 5K race to make it real. Focus on building endurance one run at a time, maybe adding just a quarter mile each week. Track your progress in a journal or an app. Each small goal you check off is a powerful psychological boost. You're building momentum and proving to yourself that you are capable. So celebrate these crucial milestones. Finishing your first nonstop mile, completing that 10K, they are all victories. Each celebration is a vital reminder that you are not standing still. You are actively moving forward, step by step, toward that once impossible dream. Momentum is magic. Once you start achieving those small goals, something powerful happens. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering speed and size with every turn. Each small victory gives you more energy, more drive, and a deeper sense of motivation to keep going. And guess what? It's easier to start than you think. When you get that first small win, it creates a positive feedback loop that pushes you to keep pushing. It's a simple, powerful cycle. Small wins build bigger wins. Think about a writer I know who wanted to finish a novel. The thought was overwhelming, so she committed to just 1 page a day. The first day was hard, but she did it. The next day was easier. Soon, those single pages turned into a chapter, then another. That daily accomplishment built an unstoppable momentum. She wasn't just writing a book anymore. She was a writer, showing up every day. This is the force that keeps you on track when things get tough. The more you achieve, the more you believe in your ability to keep going, transforming your self-doubt into solid confidence. You start to link success with these small, consistent steps. Suddenly, you're not just dreaming about your goals, you're actively building them, one small, victorious day at a time. Let me be straight with you. Consistency is what separates the successful from the not so successful. It's not about big bursts of energy or motivation, it's about showing up every single day. Small goals are the key to building that consistency. The more you commit to these small tasks, the more they become a habit. You might start by writing 500 words a day, and before you know it, you'll be writing every day without even thinking about it. You'll start to build momentum, and that daily action will become your new normal. Focus on the process, not the outcome. When you focus on the daily steps, the big results take care of themselves. Challenges are going to happen. There will be times when you feel down, stuck, or unsure of your progress. But this is where small goals work their magic. They help you stay focused when things get tough. Small goals take off the pressure. When you focus on one big goal, it can feel like you have to achieve it right now. But when you break it down, you give yourself permission to learn, to fail, to try again. You don't need to be perfect. Just keep moving forward, one step at a time. Small goals also help you stay on track. When obstacles come up, they give you immediate targets to focus on, helping you stay focused and preventing setbacks from derailing your progress. The truth is this: motivation doesn't just happen. It's something you have to create, and one of the best ways to stay motivated is by measuring your progress. When you're working towards a big goal, it can feel like you're not moving forward. But when you set small goals and track your achievements, you start to see your progress in real time. And guess what? That feels amazing. Reflect regularly. Celebrate those small wins. Use a checklist or a vision board to remind yourself how far you've come. And when things get tough, go back to your small goals. They'll give you the energy to keep going. Success is a journey, not a destination. And the path to success is paved with small, achievable goals. They're what give you clarity, consistency, and the momentum to keep going. It's not about doing everything perfectly, it's about making progress every day. You can't build your dream life overnight, but you can build it one small goal at a time. So what's your next small goal? What can you do today to get one step closer to your big dream? Start now. Take a small step and keep going. Your success is waiting for you.